Hey, I'm back with a video after a very long time. Forgive the lighting. It is currently 4:29, and as you know, wintertime, the daylight hours are very few. So I'm working with that, but I just wanted to quickly come and give y'all a little clue into, well, not clue, but really give you guys a look into the first Vox boxes that I got from Influencer. I'm really surprised that I got them so soon because I only recently started doing like reviews on Influencer about, I would say, 5 weeks. It might be 2 months by the end of this month. So I have the app. I don't know if you can see. Okay, that's kind of bright. That's kind of bright. Let's bring this down. Let's bring this down. Okay, so I have the little app on my phone, and just click it, and you could start scanning the barcodes of things. Like you see right there that says scan. I don't know if you can see it, but it should be like right here. And then you just scan the barcodes of things. I don't have anything right now, but you could do it that way, or you could just type in what you want to review, and voila, you're in. Do reviews of things, you get points, invite your friends, and you could get free stuff. So first thing is this Godiva masterpieces. Oh, it's getting so dark right now. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But I'll just open this. Do I have a scissors? And show you guys what's inside. Okay. Like, this is my first ever. I'm so excited. And I mean, they ship it to you for free. Like, you pay for nothing. Like, literally, they ship it. Probably shouldn't show you where I live, but they ship it to you. And ooh, we got something here. We got something here. Got something here. We got something. Open up, and ooh, there's a card inside, and it says Godiva, Belgium, 1926 masterpieces. And I think it tells you like the different types of chocolates that are in here. I would hope. Ooh, this is nice. A nice little black wrapping. Well, 2 pieces up. Now we've got package number 1. And I'm gonna test it out right now. I'm gonna take a picture so I can post it on the Influencer site. Because when you get the boxes, you gotta like show proof that you got them and give a review, and then you have the potential to get even more boxes, which is amazing. More free stuff. Like, come on. So why would you not want that? Why? Gonna take a picture real quick. Put the flash on because it's so dark. And I'm gonna include you guys. Oh, this is a good backdrop. Oh, no. This is a good backdrop. There. You guys like my fairy lights? I'm gonna bring this closer. My phone is a, in case you were wondering, it's an LG V20. So I'm gonna taste it. Open it up. Ooh. They come in individual packs. There's this yellow, and there's a brown, and there's an orange. I guess those are the 3 that they were talking about. So I guess the dark chocolate, I'm assuming people, is this. The milk chocolate caramel might be the yellow because it's not marked on this. And the orange just might be the hazelnut. No, ooh, look at me. The milk chocolate caramel, it's written on the side. And ooh, has a lion on it. Right there. Ooh. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty darn good. When I got the email that I was gonna get a Vox box, I thought I was getting one, but then two came, and then I got the email about the second one like a couple hours after that, so I was like so surprised. But they sent me this new Elvive by L'Oreal to try out, and it's a revival kit for damaged hair, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Let me cut it open and see what's up. I'm gonna show you guys. Whew, gift number 2. Ooh, someone is backing up into my driveway. I don't know who it is, but I don't know if you guys can see. But ooh, is this Home Alone part 6 or 7? Look, I don't have traps and all that jazz. I don't, like seriously, I don't. So I'm gonna just have to call 911 right away. Anyways, back to this. Gift number 2. Ooh, something fell. Something fell. Okay, bend and snap. Okay, this is a little card that tells me what's on it. Let me get my flashlight out because this is ridiculous. It's not even 5 o'clock as yet. This luxurious lightweight oil formula instantly transforms dry hair, strand by strand, into nourished, silky, and shiny. Okay, how to use. Rub 2 drops between the palms of your hands. Apply evenly through the lengths and ends on dry or wet hair. Okay, and this is the product in a nice, you know, black gift paper. I'm gonna put this right here, my phone. I'm gonna stand it up so I can see. Okay. Okay, looks like it got some good stuff in there. I'm gonna open this real quick with my trusty kitchen scissors. See what this is all about. See what the fuss is all about. And ooh. Okay, let me just, it has a nice little pump. It's not coming out as yet, but it's new, so I would expect that. Let me see what it smells like, feels like. Okay, it's like a, ooh, that feels good. Very silky, light. It has a faint scent. It isn't like, let me move my phone. Yeah, it has a faint scent. What does that smell like? I mean, it smells like a hair product. It's not like pungent. It smells good. I just don't know what that smell is. Like, I feel like I could rub it on my skin. It feels good. But I'll test it out because I have natural hair underneath all this. I have natural hair. So if it works for my natural hair, like, this would be bomb. it's ultra versatile and universal use. I guess that means, oh, when they're gone, they're gone. Yeah, so this was my very first Influenster unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. So kudos or thanks to Godiva and L'Oreal for sending these things, I guess, through Influenster to me for free. Like, you can't beat for free. You literally can't beat for free. And I look forward to doing more reviews and just growing in the community, because it really is, besides the free stuff that you get, the community itself at Influencer is great. If you want to find reviews for things that you buy and you're not sure, there are photos, there are videos, there's people recommending it, telling you like how to use it and so forth. And telling you how to use it. And I mean, it's just a great group to be a part of. And if you work hard at it and you're consistent and you keep sending your own reviews and you're honest with your opinion, the sky's the limit. So I will be signing off right now, and I'm really sorry for the lighting. Hopefully I could link this with another video that I'm gonna do. And I just feel so happy and blessed, and these actually feel like early Christmas gifts for me. And kind of like I sent them to myself, but I didn't send them, Influencer sent them. So definitely thanks to Influencer.